Assalamu alaikum. My name is Karima Akter. I am a student of IELTS English 159 batch. Today I am standing before you to express my views about importance of reading. Reading is a habit that can make us a better person. Reading gives us knowledge and inspiration. It makes us smart. There are numerous examples of great people who emphasize on reading for a good and successful life. Reading exposes our mind to great dozens of ideas and thoughts. People share their experience in life and work through books. Reading such books can be of great help. Reading novels, biographies, stories, poems, etc. entertains us. It helps to relax our mind. We try to visualize whatever we read. This definitely is a healthy exercise for our mind. Reading improves our connections power. It improves our emotional health too. Reading books can make us feel happy, sad, love, and so on. Ultimately, a good book helps us grow emotionally. When we read books, we remember a lot of things like names of characters, places, important events, and conversations. This helps to improve our memory. Apart from this, we also learn many new words, which improves our vocabulary and enhance our communications skills. When we read books, we stay engaged in it. We stay in the present moment and forget past bad memories. This helps to reduce stress. Books are one of the most powerful things in the world. They offer us new opportunities to gain knowledge, grow, and be inspired. Good books are like great investment. If we read them, we get an overview of great thoughts and experience. With so many benefits, reading is certainly a good habit. We almost inculcate it in our lives. Once we develop this habit, we can never get bored. It is really a good way of personal growth and development. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.